Every Father's Day weekend, they come, bringing logs and tools, bringing massive amounts of creativity. Some are kind of shy, and some are, well, not shy at all. But what they all have in common is the love of their craft and the desire to be part of the Confluence Lions Club fundraiser on behalf of the Somerset County Blind Center. So come join us for demonstrations, for food and fun, to make new friends, and to support a worthy cause. On Friday, there will be music, a fireman's parade, and show-stopping fireworks by Addison Volunteer Fire Department and Little Big Shots. Bring your appetite because the food booths open at 10 a.m. Thursday through Saturday. And the event is capped off with awards, a raffle, and the auction, which all benefit the Somerset County Blind Center. We can barely contain our excitement. So come on down to Addison on Father's Day weekend. Hope to see you there.